Finally headed to our flight to Bali. Jakarta first actually, then to Bali. The room is pretty nice and cool. So I'll take this bed. You'll take that one?
No.
Finally going out.
Headed out. Hungry.
Gonna find something to eat. This is what I call a vacation. Just relaxing by the beach. Gana's gonna opt for the massage while I do some surf lessons. Very first time, so I'm pretty excited. First time surfing went well, I think. If you're here, go find Simon. He's a good teacher. So our day at the beach in Kuta is over. Here, I got a YouTube video.
Sorry?
YouTube.
YouTube?
Yeah, I'm on YouTube.
No, not my YouTube.
No, no?
Yeah, no.
No YouTube. This is how, it's my casual attire in Bali. So the shirtless casual outfit thing wasn't working out. So I bought myself a Nike tee. Got it for 120. 120,000 Indonesian. Pretty good deal. Spending our last few hours here at the hotel thanks to late checkout. Off to Nusa Penida right after this. We're checking out of this wonderful hotel, 4 Points Sheraton, Bali Kuta. It's a very nice hotel, but Nusa Penida, we're ready for you.